Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to get Vidiq $1 referral link and how you can actually use Vidiq for 1 month for just $1. Right, so these are the things you actually need to do. So I'm going to provide the link you have to follow in the description of this video, because if you don't follow that link you might not be able to get everything right. And if you visit the link directly and maybe you are experiencing some slow network or loading, so there is a chance that maybe Vidiq is not fully supported in your country probably. So all you just have to do, just use VPN to sign up. And another thing is that if you have signed up on Vidiq before with your email, that email will not work again. You have to use a fresh Gmail account to sign up on the Vidiq before you can be able to get that offer. Even though if you have not subscribed to Vidiq before, it will still not work. You have to use a new Gmail that you have not used to sign up on Vidiq before. Then follow the link in the description to sign up to Vidiq using your email. Right, so that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing in this video. Right, so the next thing you're gonna do after visiting the link, so it will take you to a page just like this. Then click on sign up for free at the top right corner here. Then it will pop up so for you to select your Gmail that you actually want to use. So let's say for example this is the Gmail I actually want to use, so I'm gonna click on that Gmail. Then it's gonna take you to where you sign up. So there are some details it's gonna ask you. Another thing is that make sure your card that you're trying to add to your Vidiq has not been used before. So you have to make sure everything follow just the way I'm trying to do it, because if you don't do that, it's not gonna work for you. So, and the first thing I said is you following the link in the description. Then if Vidiq is not working properly, then you have to use VPN to sign up. So I'm currently running on VPN because Vidiq is literally slow, right? So that is it. So the page is loading, and I guess I already have Vidiq on this Gmail before, because if not it won't take me straight to this page right here. So you can see I already had Vidiq on this particular Gmail, and you can see it has been connected to my channel, so which means I won't be able to use this Gmail. So I'm just trying to show you so you can understand that if you are experiencing the same thing, that is exactly what's happening. So the next thing you're gonna do, just either you open a fresh Gmail account, or you have to look for another Gmail of yours which of course you have not used for or to sign up on Vidiq before. So I'm gonna be opening another Gmail now. All right, I think I've not used this Gmail to sign up on Vidiq before, so I'm gonna try this one now. So the next thing I'm gonna do, just click on sign up for free. Then it will pop up a Gmail. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna select the Gmail I want to use. All right, click on continue. I think I've not used this Gmail before, right? Alright, so you can see I've not used this Gmail before. So unlock personalized insight. So I'm gonna click on skip for now because I don't need all that. So skip for now. At this point, you can actually off your VPN if at all it's making your internet get slower, right? So then on this promo code right here, just type in, so you can see it already break down the discount, but then you can still you can still reduce this to like $1. I don't know why it's showing like this. So you can see, I guess it's because of the network, but then you can see the pay now is not even active, so I don't know why. But then this is how you can actually do that, and you can see the promote code can also expire in the next, I think 15 minutes or 11 minutes, 12 minutes, just like that. So there's a discount on this one right now, and if you want to go for the yearly plan, so you're gonna be paying this amount, right? So that's how you can actually go about it and how you can enjoy the discount on Vidiq.